How to cancel Lovable AI subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel Lovable AI subscription. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Lovable AI account, just like I have done here. And then once you are logged in, the next step is to um move to the top right side of the screen. At the top right side of the screen, you can see the name of your workspace, so kindly click on that. By clicking on it, a drop-down menu will be displayed. In this menu, you see options like upgrade, settings, invite, etc. So click on the settings option. By clicking on settings on the settings page, which is workspace settings, you'll see other options as well. So move to the left side of the screen where you can see sidebar displaying the name of your workspace, people, plans, and billing. So select plans and billing. Currently, I am on the free plan. All right, but for you, once you're on the paid plan, on this particular page, under plans and billing, you would see the plan you're on, and by the right side of the plan, you see the option for you to cancel. You see cancel subscription. Once you can see that, click cancel subscription, and then you'll be asked if you're sure that you'd like to cancel your subscription on Lovable. Select yes, confirm your decision, and then your subscription will be cancelled automatically. And that is just how to do it. If after trying this method and it doesn't work, then you would have to reach out to the customer support by clicking on the help setters tab also in this menu. All right, so that is how to do it. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.